if you are getting code execution cannot proceed because Bing 2W64 was not found, error for Granblue Fantasy Relink, then you are at the right place. We have got the best ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Install Visual C++ redistributable. Often, there are other causes that shoot this kind of problem of missing of the specific module or misplacement of the file. Now, if you are facing this problem, to run Granblue Fantasy Relink, install the proper Microsoft Visual C++ version for their system. Once you are able to install Visual C++, you should reboot your PC and check whether the problem should be resolved. Installing Visual C++ redistributable can be helpful since it includes a set of libraries that help the game rely on and function properly. If these libraries are missing or outdated, it leads to crashing, freezing, or even a black screen. To install Visual C++ redistributable, search for Visual C++ redistributable on Google. Click on the first link of Microsoft.com. Download the recently available Visual C++ redistributable. Ensure you download for the correct architecture like x64 for 64-bit systems and x86 for 32-bit systems. Install the downloaded file and restart your PC. Method 2. Verify the Granblue Fantasy Relink game files. Missing or corrupted game files can also lead to these kinds of errors while playing Granblue Fantasy Relink. So verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam platform. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of Game Files option. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and download the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 3. Check for corrupted system files. Corrupted system files can be the reason of the missing DLL. So check for corrupted system files with the System File Checker. Type CMD in the Windows search bar and select to run command prompt as an administrator. In the elevated command prompt window, type sfc/scan now and press enter. Once done, restart your PC. Try to launch the game. If you get the same error, then run a DISM scan. Deployment Image Servicing and Management or DISM is a Windows tool that can fix issues with Windows corrupted images that can also be responsible for triggering such errors. To run the DISM, type or copy-paste these commands from the description. Run them one by one in the elevated CMD window and check. DISM/online/cleanup-image/check health. DISM/online/cleanup-image/scan health. DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Once done, restart your system. Check if the issue is fixed. Method 4. Update graphics drivers. Make sure to update the graphics drivers before you start gaming. This should help you avoid issues while gaming and boost your gaming experience. Here is how to update your graphics drivers. Right-click on the Windows search button and choose Device Manager. Go to the Display Adapters section and then expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver and click on the Update Driver option. Select the Search Automatically for Drivers option and follow the instructions provided on screen to download and install the latest driver. You should visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics card drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your system. Then open the app again to check for any updates. If any update is available, download and install them. Method 5. Run the game on the dedicated graphics card. If you have multiple GPUs for your computer, then make sure You use the one exclusively for gaming. This ensures a better gaming experience. So, using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues while playing games like Granblue Fantasy Relink. Here is how you can check if you are running the dedicated graphics card. However, this depends upon your operating system and the graphics card you are using. Press the Windows key plus R to launch the Run utility. Type dev mgmt.msc in the Run command box and hit Enter or click on OK. Expand the Display Adapters section. Here you will find the two adapters, one for your dedicated graphics card and the integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card should also have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed, so run the game with the dedicated graphics card. Method 6. Update Windows. Windows updates can help resolve issues with game performance. Also, updating Windows to the latest version ensures your computer runs with the latest security and performance enhancements. Type Check for Updates in the search menu and select the top option. Click on the Check for Updates button. If any update is available, download and install the updates. Restart your PC for that. Now launch the game and see if this could resolve the issue. Method 7. Reinstall the game. If the above methods cannot fix the issue, then reinstall Granblue Fantasy Relink. To do so, press Windows plus I to open Settings. Open Apps and then head to Installed Apps. Click on the three-dot menu next to the game. Click on the Uninstall button. Follow as shown to uninstall the game. Once the uninstallation of the game completes, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, reinstall the game to some other drive. Now launch the game and check. And there you have it. The 7 methods to fix code execution cannot proceed because Bing2W64 was not found for Granblue Fantasy Relink. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solutions solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.